Alright, population problem, where here we have a population of a certain town can be determined by the equation P equals 10,057 times E raised to the 0.013 t. Yay, they gave us an equation, we will use it. Where t equals 0 represents the year 2006. So the year 2006 is when this model was made, when the equation is good at year 0 in the year 2006. According to the equation, when will the population reach 18,000? 18,000 will be my future value, P. Okay, so we set up our equation where P equals 18,000, so 18,000 equals what they gave me for the equation here, 10,057 times E raised to the 0.013 t, and again I'm solving for t, so I want to isolate the variable t. In order to do that, I need to realize t is up here in the exponential part. This is an exponential equation. I need to isolate the exponential. So to isolate the exponential with the base of e raised to this decimal times t, I got to get rid of this. So I'm going to divide away the 10,057. That'll cancel out over here. I'm going to divide it out over here. Bring down what I got. So this gives me 18,000 over 1057 equals e to the 0.013 t. Now I got to get rid of the e. The inverse of e is the natural log ln, because that is log base e. So log base e of e cancels, just like ln of e cancels. And that will bring this down here into the regular playing field. 0.013 t is regular numbers. What I do to one side, I must do to the other. So I have to take ln of all of that. As I continue solving, now I have ln of 18,000 all over 10,057. To solve for t now, I need to divide away the decimal 0.013. Divide away the decimal 0.013. Now t is fully isolated. So all of this here equals t. So now I'm going to put this into my calculator and see what we get now that the variable is isolated. So I have ln of 18,000 one too many zeros there, divided by 10,057 and all of that is going to be divided by my decimal 0.013. Enter. And I get an answer that is 44.78. So t equals 44.78. And that's how many years it's going to take. They didn't ask me how many years. They asked me when. So in what calendar year. So I'm going to take 2006, which was my baseline, plus my 44.78. That's going to give me 2050.78. So I can say and wrap it up in a sentence that the population will be 18,000. Late in the year of 2050. And there we go. We have answered our question. We've written a nice little sentence and we've shown all our work. I hope that helps.